Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for watching and thank you for also subscribing down below. Today's video, I'm doing an Aztec clay mask. I haven't done one of these in a few years, so I was excited to try it again. I've been seeing it go around a lot on Instagram and here on YouTube, so I definitely wanted to give it a try because it's been a really long time. So right now I'm just mixing up my ingredients. I kind of just eyeball it, so no real measurements. I started off with the clay, then I added apple cider vinegar and water, and now I'm going in with just a few oils. I have some jojoba oil and I also added a couple growth oils to the mix. So I'm just going to mix that all together till I get a nice consistency to my liking. This part of the process is basically just personal preference as to what you want to add to your mask, so you don't exactly have to follow what I do. So now my hair is already in sections and I'm just taking one section from the back and spraying it down with water so I can detangle it, and then I'm just going to go right in with that clay mask. There's definitely a lot of good benefits when it comes to clay masks, and this one particularly just helps to cleanse your hair. You do this in place of your pre-poo and your shampoo, so you definitely don't want to shampoo after you do a clay mask because your hair will be dry like desert dry. Like there's really no coming back from that kind of dry. So definitely do not shampoo your hair after you do this mask. But yeah, it's definitely going to define your curls. It's going to clump them together and really just make them pop, which is one of the main reasons that I really like this mask and why I definitely want to start doing it more often, at least like once a month. I think it'll really make a difference because it really just defines your curls so well. I think it's definitely a product that any person with natural hair should have in their natural hair collection. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish applying this throughout the rest of my hair, and I'll come back when it's all finished. Alright, so I'm just about finished and this is what my hair is looking like. It's looking pretty good. My curls are definitely already getting super defined, so I like that a lot. So I'm just going to let this sit in my hair until it's completely dry, and I use the whole container of the clay, so that's good. I use like the perfect amount. So yeah, I'm just going to let my hair dry until it's completely dry, and you'll know when it's dry because your hair will just start to flake. Like it'll be super hard, and like anytime you move your hair it'll just start to flake off. So now I'm just rinsing out my hair with warm water, and my curls are super defined. My hair feels really soft. I think the oil helped out a lot with that, but I absolutely love this clay mask. And I think my favorite part is rinsing it out. Like my hair just looks and feels so good. And I didn't show you guys a look of my hair out of the shower because I just went right into deep conditioning and then I add my leave-in. I do that all in the shower, so I can't really give you an outside shower visual of what my hair looked like because I'm not trying to lose that moisture. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.